Hey, thanks for your interest in the VROOMTek Pro Training Bundle. My name's Digital Dylan. Really quickly, I want to show you what you're going to get, all the goodies inside. So you're going to get a download folder just like this, and when you unzip it, you're going to get all these different folders with videos and step-by-step instructions. So the first thing you want to do is pull up this Getting Started, where you're going to watch the Getting Started video with step-by-step instructions on how to actually go through the training and use it effectively. Of course, this is my email down here. Feel free to reach out to me with any questions if you want a custom background. I'm here to help you. I'm here to help what your goals are. So I'm very, very open and willing to communicate. If you can email dylan@vroomtek.com, that'll reach right to me. Of course, step-by-step instructions, watch the Getting Started video. So we've got different training packs. So, first, going into how to actually use Zoom. So how to start a new meeting, how to join an existing meeting, how to password protect your meeting so you don't have people jumping in, how to schedule meeting and use external calendars that help you send in invites to your family, your friends, to coworkers. So this is really useful stuff. And then, of course, how to share your computer screen. So if you're a teacher or someone instructing and you want to show them exactly what's on your screen or an external device, I'm going to show you step-by-step exactly how you can do that. Of course, I'm going to go into how to set up virtual backgrounds, optimizing your video, your audio, different suggestions for stuff that you can do to optimize your Zoom experience. So a lot in these different folders, as well as a lot of troubleshooting, common problems and solutions to those problems. And then, of course, I'm throwing in the virtual background pack where you're going to get a variety of virtual backgrounds already formatted, ready to go for your Zoom experience. Hope you enjoy.